Hey guys, welcome back to Mindset Monday. I want to talk about your healing journey today. So, just because you have grown in your healing process doesn't mean that you won't have off days or bad days. So, if you feel like one day you're just going totally back down in the wrong direction or backwards or whatever the case may be, please don't fall off. Continue your healing, continue your journey, and don't think that what you're doing is not making an impact. What we have to realize is that there are triggers. There's always going to be triggers. Healing takes time, and just because we have off days does not mean that our healing isn't working, especially if you're doing intentional healing. Those little things, those days, those exercises that you're putting in, the therapy, whatever it is that you're doing to intentionally heal, if you are intentionally healing, it's going to be okay. You might feel like you're good, and then you just fall down into this, the dark place. But keep on getting up, keep on doing those little things, because as time goes on, you will see the changes, you will see the improvement, and over time, we don't realize that triggers are more subtle than we think, and they're more impactful. But as soon as you can recognize those triggers, you can recover from them easier. So don't stop. Keep going on your journey. Keep going down your path. Keep doing the right things. You are doing great. And one day you're going to wake up and you're going to have that joy and that heaviness lifted off of you. And you're going to be so proud and liberated. Keep going, guys. Love you.